Shifting client expectations and increased competition from fintechs have raised the bar high. Banks must embrace new ways to win greater wallet share and deepen the emotional connection with the customers. Customers want their banks to create engaging experiences, yet many banks are lagging behind. Banks still have advantages, including customer trust, regulatory endorsements, and product expertise, but how do they leverage these to expand market share? Many approaches to modernization have been tried over the years, each one inspired by a built-to-last mindset. However, the new realities demand a paradigm shift. Banks need to build the agility and flexibility to configure new solutions with rapid speed to market, while keeping the total cost of ownership low so that banks can focus on what matters the most: their customers. But how can banks move forward when they're weighed down by expensive and inflexible legacy technology? What if you had the ability to assemble the bank you want, with freedom to respond rapidly to evolving customer expectations? Rather than implementing one large, overarching system for all services, you could embrace a plug-and-play strategy, swapping individual systems in and out quickly and at scale as your business changes to boost your innovation potential. Imagine switching the paradigm and finally having business strategy drive technology choices. To get there, you'll need a partner who can give you ideas and the power to turn imagination into reality, has the full breadth of industry, domain, and technology expertise to elevate your digital transformation journey with built-to-change capabilities. With Capgemini, you drive business outcomes to become a future-ready enterprise, achieve a whole new level of agility and efficiency, and become a bank that embraces change to grow and evolve with the changing market.